Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button or any of the buttons actually. Once you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the control panel. Now scroll through this panel and find the option called power saving, and here basically you need to tap on the power saving to enable the power saving mode. Then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the control panel again, scroll down, find the power saving and tap on it to disable the mode. And once you're done, press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.